Here are a few easy steps to create a deck using your family tree from most genealogy websites. After naming your deck, choose a card style. Since this deck is based on a family tree, we recommend you choose one of the first 3 card styles. Select the source of your family tree. Optional Smart Assign lets you choose a primary family member, assign him to a card, and the OurCards system then identifies their closest relatives and assigns them to the cards automatically. For those cards that are not assigned, you can drag and drop the rest of the people to the cards of your choice. You can even change assignments by dropping a new person on top of an existing card. Need to update the information for a person or change their photo on a card? Be sure to check out the Edit Your Cards video. We'll provide a link to that later. You can move to a different suit using the drop-down in the top left corner. Design the back. OurCards automatically creates a collage that you can assign to the backs of each card. Alternatively, you can upload your own picture from your computer or select a country flag. You can even add your family names if you'd like. Designing your customized box works the same way as the previous step, so this step is easy. Checking out is also easy. The only decision you'll need to make here is how many decks you'd like to order. And that's it. You've just made OurCards your cards. Remember, if you'd like to learn more about editing the details of a specific card, here's a link to that video.